Hi, I'm Dee Dee. I love shopping at Goodwill, especially during Halloween season, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to find a costume here. So let's go.
Goodwill is a great place to shop for Halloween costumes because you're going to save on your costumes, you'll find something for everyone in your family, and you get to be creative. The average cost of a Halloween costume is going to be from just a couple of dollars for a kid's costume or a one quick item out the door. And you can spend a little bit more too if you want to buy a lot of different accessories. $15, $20, you're going to put together something really fun. Getting creative with your costumes is so easy, and it's part of the fun of shopping at Goodwill. So check out the Halloween section, which you'll find at every Goodwill store, and then be sure to branch out into the rest of the store. Look for accessories. Maybe it's a black dress for a witch's outfit or a ruffle blouse for a pirate's costume. There are a lot of different things that you'll find in the Halloween section, and then really put that creativity work when you branch out and look around and see what you can find.
There's so much you can do with something as simple as a white sheet. You can turn this into a ghost. Or if you get a head start, you can transform this into the Bride of Frankenstein. Ooh, these are perfect Edward Scissorhands, and all we would need to do this are some skinny jeans, a black shirt, a jacket, and a big belt. So let's try it out. Okay, all we need to find in this section is a black jacket. This one is perfect. Use this one. Now we need to find black pants and some belts. Okay, let's see. I like these ones. Perfect, this is what we need. We're gonna take all of these belts. And this is the final product. I love how creative I can be at Goodwill, and that my Halloween budget always goes so much further. Not to mention, they also have really great decor.
You'll find a great selection of Halloween decor at Goodwill, those fun punch bowls to set a spooky table setting with different plates to layer and stack if you want to throw together a fun Halloween dinner. And then check around the different household items goods areas even outside of the Halloween selection. You'll find different things, and you can really put together something fun and unique. You might even find new packaged items at Goodwill too. Be on the lookout for those. You never know what you'll find at different stores.
Thanks for coming along with me today, and don't forget to expect the unexpected this Halloween at Goodwill.
Shopping at Goodwill supports the community. When you shop at Goodwill, when you donate to Goodwill, you're helping support our mission services of ending poverty through the power of work and making a big impact on the environment as well. Visit goodwillaz.org for all of our locations to find the store near you.